everyone. कैसे आप सभी? Hope you all are doing great. Myself Radha Kumari from Revised You, the learning platform where you can find n number of teachers who are there to help you in your academics. So, in our last class, what we studied, we learned what are quadratic equation, how to solve quadratic equations, and we did the factorization as well, how to factorize it, and after factorizing, how to get the result or roots of the quadratic equation, right? So today we are going to discuss another method to solve the quadratic equation. Another method how to solve quadratic equation with some other method. Fine. So let's discuss this first. And yes, if you like the content, then वीडियो को लाइक करना, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना and चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. Fine. So let's go to the PPT first. Yes. So here we are. Yes. The topic is what? Completing the square. Completing the square method. This is the second method how to solve a quadratic equation. First method is factorization. Second method is like graph method, graphically, and the third one is like completing the square. So what do you mean by completing the square? It means आप क्या कर रहे हो? We are going to complete the square. Look at this picture. First, like this is a square. You know the area of square is what? X square. Side multiply side. Its side is x and x, suppose. Then what we are doing? We are adding plus bx. D. This is your D. This is the form of quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is in the form of x square plus bx equals to c. Right. So this is x square, 1 square. X square is the area of square. Now bx, suppose this is a bx, we are adding bx, and then what is happening? We are completing this square only. We are making a square. Fine. If you add this directly to this square, it doesn't become a square. It becomes a rectangle, right? When you add, like this is a square and you are adding this to it like this, so it becomes a rectangle. So we have to make square, not rectangle. That's why what we did, we divide this into two parts and add it at the bottom as well as at the side. Fine, we are adding at this part and this part. Now by adding this, what is happening? When you add these, dividing this and add at the both of the sides in length as well as in breadth, so this get combined like this. This is get added like this. Fine. But you left with this corner. This corner to make a complete square, you left with this corner. So at last we add this shape to the given figure so that it becomes a complete square. So for this, what its length and breadth? Its length, like this is b by 2. So b by 2. And its length also b by 2. So area of this box, this square is equals to 1 up b by 2 ka square. It means side multiply side, b by 2 multiply b by 2, that is b upon 2 ka whole square. So that's why it becomes, when you add this, now it's become a complete square. So we use this method only to solve a quadratic equation. So look at this example. First step is to, if a is not equals to 0, like in a is what? The general format of square quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, like this. So a is the coefficient of x square. If coefficient of x square is not equals to 0, it means like 2x square, 4x square, minus 2x square, then first step is to divide the whole quadratic by a. Fine, हमें क्या करना है? We have to divide this whole equation with a. Like if a is 2, then we have to divide whole equation with 2 first. Because it is considered like the side should be x only. Fine, not any other like coefficient should be there. Now, second step is, what is second step? Write the quadratic in form of x square plus bx equals to 2. Like we have to write in this form, x square, bx and c should be at the right hand side. Fine. Now third step is what? In the third step what we are doing? We are dividing this bx and adding it. So now divide b by 2 x square. We have to add this to the both side of the equation. we are adding b by 2 x square on the both side of the equation. Square area of this one, area of this, area of this. At last, what we did? Factor the left side. We will factor the left side. It becomes a square plus b, a plus b का whole square. This formula become a plus b का whole square, like a square plus b square plus 2a. Fine. So it becomes a plus b का whole square, and at the right hand side it becomes c plus b by 2 का whole square. So the factors the left side of the equation into a perfect square. यहाँ पे आपको बोले this becomes a perfect square. Now fifth step is to just take the root of right hand side, square root of both the side. We will take the square root and then find the value of x. So in this way you are going to find the value of x by using completing the square method. Fine. Hope आपको ये method clear होगा. और yes, in the next video, like in next class, we will do some of the examples on the same thing, same topic, so that this thing clear to you. Fine. तो आपको लाइक क्या करना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस टॉपिक. आपको ये वीडियो ध्यान से देखना और मेथड को समझना है. देन इन नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल सॉल्व सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ऑन द सेम टॉपिक. देन दिस टॉपिक विल बी क्लियर टू यू. Fine, more clear to you. Okay. So if you like this, then share with your friend as well. Okay. Thank you.